In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook lead ads to HubSpot. This will streamline your lead generation and ensure that your marketing efforts are seamlessly integrated. So, let's dive in and make this process as simple as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. This step is crucial because you need to have access to all the features and integrations available. Once you're logged in and you're staring at your HubSpot homepage, we can start exploring the tools we need. At this point, the next step is to head over to the marketplace. Finding the right resources is key, and HubSpot Marketplace is where you'll find the necessary integrations to enhance your marketing performance. Go ahead and click on Marketplace, which is conveniently located on your menu. What we're looking for is the HubSpot Marketplace, so once you've clicked through, you'll see a variety of apps and tools at your disposal. Now, this is where the magic happens. Look for the search bar, which should be prominently displayed. With this function, you can quickly locate the integration you need without having to sift through countless options. Type Facebook ads into the search bar. This allows HubSpot to present you with relevant apps and integrations, and very soon, you'll see an option called Meta Ads appear. This is exactly what we're looking for, so go ahead and click on Meta Ads. Meta Ads is the essential tool that will bridge the gap between your Facebook lead ads and HubSpot, making your data flow effortlessly from one platform to the other. By clicking on it, you're one step closer to integrating those leads directly into your HubSpot account. Once you've clicked into Meta Ads, you'll notice an option to install. This is your pathway to smooth integration, so go ahead and click Install. This part is straightforward, but make sure you're following all on-screen prompts carefully. Each step in the installation process will guide you in linking your Facebook lead ads with HubSpot efficiently. These prompts are designed to help you configure everything accurately, so don't rush through them. Take your time to ensure that all settings and permissions are correctly adjusted to suit your needs. By now, you should be comfortably set up and your Facebook leads ads are connected to HubSpot. With these systems linked, you are equipped to better manage and nurture your leads, enhancing your ability to convert them into loyal customers. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful. By integrating your lead ads with HubSpot, you're taking a vital step toward optimizing your marketing strategy. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we'll continue to improve your digital marketing experience.